Good morning, everybody. My name is Princha Krasta. Welcome to your Watanabeshow. Today we have Reena and Kora with us. So without any ado, let me just quickly take you to today's stock highlights. So there's this big news that yesterday that we were talking about that US Federal Reserve Chair Jeremy Powell, he acknowledged the risk of recession, and he earlier he found out that it would be a soft landing, but now he has accepted that it's very challenging in his testimony to the Senate. And if we see S&P 500 and Nasdaq futures have fell following modest losses in the US markets. US Treasuries extended a rally, taking 2-year yields near to 3%, that is their bonds. If we see overall Indian ADR, they are all in negative, leading with Wipro at 2.91%. They have been following the Indian markets. Stocks to watch today is NTPC. We have Vodafone. So they have been raising funds around approx 500 crores, 436 crores by issuing preference shares, but it is only to the promoters. Then we have Bajaj Auto. They are reconsidering to buy back proposal on June 27. These are the rest of the stocks that you can watch for the day. Pledging in these particular shares, that is Swan Energy, we have Emami. Insider trades, we have Uflex, we have Supreme Petrochem, and so on and so forth. As we can see that Dr. Path Labs, promoter and director, that is Archana Lal, she has sold around 81,000 of shares on June 20 and 21. That's approx 15.39 crores. If we see Jindal Steels here, they have bought around 4.98 lakh shares. There's a block deal continuing in Poonawalla FinCorp. Then we have big news that is related to MPC minutes, which Kora will be discussing later on. Since it's an AGM period going on, we have UTI Asset Management. They will be holding AGM on 25th of July. These are the stocks trading tweaks. We have ex-dividend by CAMS and Dalmia Bharat, Happiest Mind Technologies. Overall, if we see yesterday, we could see that the retail investors, they have bought around 1,000 crores of in the retail market. FNOQs, if we see FIIs are continuing to bleed as compared since last week, and DIIs, they have bought around 1,800 in the cash market. Overall, if we see FIIs in index options, they have went long around 4,800. Overall, if we see that there is a notional addition of around 5,000 crores. Over to you, Reena and Kora. Yeah.
Thank you, Princey. I'll start sharing my screen. So, Kora, this is how we are looking today. Any trades to place?
Yeah, so market is flat a little bit. I think that 15,200 might open at 8 or 6. We can cover that.
Completed.
The 15,500 put, I would like to put a limit order at somewhere around 50 to 60, maybe 55.
Okay. Pending.
And the same thing for 15,400 C. I'd like to put limit order at half the price. That's about 40 to 45, maybe 43.
43. Okay, so we have
1 minute, just go to dashboard.
Sure.
No, portfolio.
Okay.
Close at 49p.
49p. At market or limit?
At market.
Okay. Done.
How much funds we have?
Yes. So we are now at 48,484 rupees.
Okay, I would like to buy a September call or maybe 1 minute. Next week's 15,500 call. 15,500.
15,500. So call, yeah.
Yeah, buy that.
Yeah. Do we do it? Let's get the market depth. So we can go for the
Buy
market.
at market.
Yes, makes sense.
And sell 15,500 call this week.
15,500.
This week.
Yes. So that's today.
Yeah. Just 25, right? Yeah, sell that.
That was I put, okay, fine. It's completed or pending?
Yeah, it's filled. Check the funds now.
Yes, sure. So we are
in 20,000 limit. That's fine. Where are the ETFs?
Sure. One moment.
Everything is flat. S&P is a bit up. 1.1%.
Yes.
Nifty value ETF is quite up, 2%.
Yes.
Okay, and then what are our stocks doing?
Stocks.
No major movements. It's a same.
Seems flat. Percentage change wise, which one is doing better for us? Power industries.
Yeah, it was a 50%. Now it is softened.
And
back to 1,000.
Signatech and Nasdaq. So
Signity, there is an AGM today.
Yes.
Probably they might announce a small dividend. Yeah. All right. So just if you can open that RBI minutes, we'll just quickly scan.
Sure. Over to you, Princey.
Sure.
So you just have to search RBI and then go to the press releases. Right?
Okay. We will have to go to the press releases and there we will find these minutes.
Yeah. So what is the CPI projection? That's what is important for us. Yeah, these are all meeting minutes and acknowledgement of various data. The 7, 8, 9, 10 bullet points. So what is the outlook they are looking at? Come down. Yeah, so the CPI at a 70% band, they are looking at around 7.5 to 4.5. So 7.5 and 4.5, the midpoint is around 6. I would doubt that, but maybe little above that. That is what the inflation we are working in the next 2 quarters, or at least RBI's projections. And the GDP projection, they toned down. To 5 or less than 5. So the 7% what the government is touting is gone. So you are looking at a 5% GDP growth or less than that.
Okay.
And you can also see each member's assessment, individual assessment. Everybody is soft there except Shashank Bide. So he's the only hawkish guy. Realistic. So you should read his meeting or his statement. And Ashima Goyal is little sensible and a prominent economist. Maybe you have to read her statement in depth, what she is telling.
Okay.
Others are just namesake.
Okay.
I mean, if you want to read their assessment. All right. We'll see you at 12:30, right?
Sure. Good day, everyone.
Thanks,
They-
Rina. Thanks,
Thank
Prince.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Bye.